Look at this gorgeous home in the back. So, so pretty. And then kitchen area. Gorgeous home. This is at 1787 Stine Rd in Peninsula. Come check us out. With 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, total of 8 rooms. Come check it out. Gorgeous home.